The project here is to protect Minehead from flooding and to continue to provide the standard of protection that the existing seawall provides. And what we're trying to do is to repair areas that have got damaged behind me here, where the seafront has eroded, and if we don't repair it within 1 or 2 storms, it will be in danger of breaching. That would cause maybe 700 or 800 properties in Minehead to be at risk of flooding.
So the Minehead Coastal Protection Scheme is an Environment Agency scheme, and it came around fairly quickly for us following the winter storms. We had a look at the Shingle Ridge, which is just behind me to my left, and determined that it needed some protection for this winter.
We chose to use Aggregate Industries because of their experience with the nearby scheme that they've just completed at Blue Anchor, and the economies and efficiencies have been able to use the same equipment and the same team combined with Kier to be able to deliver the works on the ground here. So it's worked really efficiently for us, and they had the material available that we needed at the right time in the right place.
The significant challenge here was really the pace of the scheme. They're not normally schemes that you could get on the ground within a few months or two. Coordinating shipping, rock, tugs, barges, and then a ground team to go and deliver it is quite a coordination effort, and we had a very short space of time to do that. But we've pulled that off, particularly because we have worked in partnership with Aggregate Industry on the Blue Anchor scheme. We've developed a really good working relationship, and it proved really quite seamless to move that team across and just deliver this one.